In our entire policy space of this department, soil health is at the core of our mission. So if you have good soil health, you will have good plant health. If you have got good plant health, you will have good human health. All of us will be healthy. And if the humanity is healthy, the planet is healthy. So with that premise, all our actions, all our priorities are onto that. In fact, from our department, we are going to start a soil health mission very soon. Not soil health का देने के लिए नहीं, to enrich our Odisha soils with desired quantum of soil organic carbon जो honorable minister ने बताया अभी, तो उसी के हिसाब से we are going ahead with that. We thank you for your very brief presence but very enriching experience. All our officers are here, all senior officers are here, and it's a very momentous time for all of us that we realize the importance of soil health and do our bit. बोलने से नहीं होगा, आप अपना बोल रहे हैं और आप कर रहे हैं, तो जितने लोग अभी सुन रहे हैं उनको भी बताना चाहते हैं कि you also try to promote soil health in